Welcome to Kurio 3D Compression Limited. I'm Paul Bromley, founder, who started the business in July 2012. I was looking at compression leggings for myself. I could only find small, medium and large. This was a problem for me. As a small child growing up, my right leg did not develop to the same size as my left. If compression leggings are to be effective, they need to fit both legs. I decided to make my own. Using skills from my father who worked as a tailor making men's suits, I would need to make individual patterns of each leg. I employed a pattern cutter, machinist and started to manufacture. We needed to prove they had the correct compression strengths and graduation. We carried out research with Nottingham Trent University, Loughborough University and the University of East London. We have now received these research results, confirming our leggings deliver the correct compression and graduation in the right areas. Kurio are currently the only company offering precise, effective compression wear that fits everyone, whatever their size or shape, from basketball players to para-athletes. To be effective compression wear must fit precisely. Only made-to-measure garments can produce accurate, graduated compression that delivers the correct dosage to produce effective results. We produce a range of compression products: leggings, tops, arm sleeves, calf and arm guards. All these garments are made to fit each individual precisely. Our leggings are available in 3 compression levels: recovery, performance and travel. They supply a precise graduated compression level so that blood flow is returned back towards the heart more efficiently. This improves post-exercise recovery, performance and reduces travel fatigue.
So compression garments in sport and exercise have been around for many years, and more recently we've become aware of the fact that many of the manufacturers probably overstate the amount of compression that their garments provide. Mostly this is because human body shapes differ quite widely between people. As a result, the garments aren't actually adjusting themselves to cope with the shape of the limb. One of the advantages of Kurio garments is that they use a 3D full body scan. They understand the properties of the textile and they use this to produce a compression which is specific to each limb.
We now use digital scanning, taking up to 20 million measure points to within 0.5 of 1 millimetre. To date we've supplied Premiership, Championship football clubs, GB national teams, individual athletes, para-athletes and international teams from many sports. At the moment we'll take a scan, we can go anywhere in the world. The girls back in the office will process that scan through our own software which we've developed. That produces a 2D PDF pattern. We send that via the internet through to our factory in Alfreton. The factory is our factory. We have no subcontractors. The pattern will then be placed on the fabric. Left and right leg will be cut individually. So if there's any differences, that will be picked up. It will then be sewn together and it will then go through a process for quality. The skills that we're bringing back into Nottinghamshire is that Nottinghamshire was renowned for its textile industry. Some of those skills are already here. Our lady who runs the factory has over 30 odd years of experience as a machinist, and we are bringing those skills back in. We will be looking at apprenticeships, we will be looking at all the people that can continue to move the product forward, and we have got further developments on products such as made-to-measure swimsuits, made-to-measure tri-suits, made-to-measure skin suits for cyclists. And finally, we will be looking at making wetsuits that are made to measure.
Having a unique product means that we have a unique route to market, and having something that's not been done before means that we need to find a way to be able to get this out to the mass market and the elite and top amateur athletes that are out there. The intention for the investment is to build a series of booths from the prototype that we already have, which we can then place in urban locations up and down the country where people can go, be scanned, and then the scan sent back to the central base where it can be processed using the software and then manufactured in the unit to be sent out anywhere in the country. Currently we focus on the sportswear market, but we know that there are healthcare and fashion applications for our software and the manufacturing unit that we have. Now we have the manufacturing base. As long as we can get the scanning technology out into the wider environment, we can produce any manner of projects and any manner of products all over the world.